Job interest in Twitter skyrocketed more than 250% since Elon Musk moved to take over, but current employees are nervous. Well, I'd be nervous too if job interest went to 200.
Yeah. All of a sudden, everybody wants my job.
I'm like, Mo, job interest at LaterClips is skyrocketing 250%. You're like,
Yeah, but I like talking to you guys. Coming into the office.
Will's hitting all of his hotkeys.
Yeah.
It's a jumble mess.
Yeah, job interest on an all-time high. I don't know. It's a job interest from a different group, right? Elon Musk cast Twitter's future into uncertainty. We made a successful $44 billion bid. Countless Musk fans and a slight majority of Americans, 59%, approved the takeover, according to recent data from the Harris poll. Some current Twitter staff worry that it will dramatically change the company's culture. Yeah, I think it's the idea.
Yeah, I think
it's the idea. If you're not about Musk, go do something else, I guess, at this point.
Unfortunately.
Or fortunately, I don't know.
Well, I'm sure they liked their job, so probably not fun for them to leave, but...
Yeah, but fortunately, they... Yeah, you're right. I don't know. I guess I was going to say that they get to, like, stick it to Elon, but they really don't. It's a dumb way to do it.
Yeah.
They're just suffering.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying they're like, I'm out of here. Like, you got problems now because I was amazing at what I did.
Right.
Yeah.
And they take some joy in that. I don't know, but that seems like a weird way to live, too. Like,
it is.
The idea of any takeover, like even if you agree with everything the guy says and you like them a lot, it's a takeover. It's a new regime. It's a new. It could disrupt things that you like. Period.
Of course,
it's part of it. Part of life. Change is part of life. You decide how and where you want to change and what you're willing to change, but. Fact of the matter is, could have been a downside to nothing changing at Twitter and the company struggling in other ways. So, casual interest in open positions at the company has skyrocketed since the Tesla billionaire showed serious interest in taking over the company. On Thursday, Daniel Zhao, senior economist and data scientist at the job insights platform Glassdoor, tweeted that interest in job openings at the social media giant was up 263% between April 24 and April 30th. Yeah, that's big. That's real. That's a real job site. Real job site. In a statement of fortune, Zhao clarified that interest is defined by the average daily clicks on the Twitter job postings on the platform compared to the average daily job clicks in March baseline prior to the news breaking. Also, people might be clicking on those things because they're curious if people are actually leaving Twitter, which was a lot of people.
Right. Just curious.
Just a lot of activity.
Yeah. Just activity in general, because there were so many claims being made, like, I'm leaving if he comes.
Right. Actually, I think that might be a huge portion of it.
Well, that's the thing when you read these things. You got to go deeper. You got to say, okay, what could have caused this?
Right.
It could be exactly what it is, that just Elon fans are like, well, I want to work for Twitter. Yeah. Okay. Right. Some of it's probably that. Some of it's probably also this other thing. It's going to be more than one thing.
Right. And you come to Lou later to find out.
I don't know how many times we're allowed to say that in one episode, Mo. People are going to start to wonder.
Did we say it
start
already?
To wonder about us. I think it's a good time for a CNN Plus moment, just to lighten the mood. Go ahead, Will. Hey, there we go. We got to lighten the mood after Mo's making all kinds of substantial claims about the significance of this show, the importance of this show. Yeah. Coming up at noon. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. Some people will leave. Some people will arrive. Period. No surprise.